So good morning everybody. So today's the question arises here, who is the most important person in your life? So right now I'm going to share who is the most important person in my life. So my parents are most important in my life. Why I'm saying so? Because right now I'm preparing for civil services, and in during the preparation we used to get demotivation and so many things a lot between that. So whenever I used to think in that, so I used to recall my parents. Wherever I used to call them, I used to talk with them also. And after that, after calling to them, I used to feel like that right now I'm going to the right direction. And where they used to give me such suggestion, like where they also know that the sacrifices which are going there, because in the preparation we used to think we have to give a lot of expectation, a lot of hard work with our parents and with ourselves also. And if I talk about my parents, like mostly my father, then like the sincerity which he has given to me, and like whatever right now I'm here, it's because of them. Like whenever I used to think that how to behave with the person, then I used to recall my parents, how he behaves with the person, with the personality, wherever he used to meet. Right now I was at my village, so whenever the person was coming at my home, then also I have seen that the sincerity, like we used to get like in such a way where we used to discuss with the person and we used to get anger with the person. But when I saw him, like the person who was coming there, right now the situation whatever the was, but he was just in such a situation where the person should be kind only. And the second thing, that if I talk about my mother, then whenever like I feel such a demotivation or whatever, then I used to talk with my mother. And mostly the most important role who plays in my life, that is my elder brother, who always encourage me whatever I want to do. He never says to me like you have to go there. Whatever I have told to him, right now I want to do that thing. Wherever, like when I was in my 12th, and after that I wanted to take the admission in JNU. Then after he has said to me, you have to prepare. Whatever you want to do, you can do, and whatever the requirement, I will fulfill after that. So after that, I completed that the preparation of JNU. Then after I cracked that examination, but unfortunately I was not able to join that. And then after I came here at Indore, and with the help of that, like in that 1 year of COVID duration, and after that in my second year, like I have started my preparation. Right now I'm in third year, and I think the preparation of mine, that is going good. And it is why it is happening. I think it's all because of my parents and my family. So thank you for listening.